Hello everybody, I am Swarnodip, and guys, we are gonna having so much fun today. So guys, today we are going to drive the fastest train ever. This is guys, in the fastest train ever, I think guys, this is the fastest train around, I think. I don't know guys, I need to find it. Yeah, this one, okay guys. So we're gonna use this unique train to explore. Okay guys, we're gonna be the emergency level 1 driver. Just let's do not waste time and let's go in. Well guys, when you play this game, Train Sim, always guys off your internet, cause the ads will gonna guys make you so irritated that you're not gonna play this game anymore. And guys, oh yo guys, look at this. We're gonna going super fast. Okay guys, we're doing fantastic. Hey guys, what just happened? Okay guys, I think I did this because of the red signal maybe. Yo guys, so we are gonna fall. Yo guys, look at this. Let's do something ridiculous. But the guys, the bad thing is that I think the braking is not good. There's a train is crossing near. Let's go to the next activity. Okay. So guys, we are running our next activity. Guys, look at this. There is a what's it called, like. So later guys, this looks so cool, right? We're in a train and people are with us too guys. We're gonna driving the fastest train ever in the train sim, I think. And we have the time is 7. Oh gosh, look at this. Guys, what just happened? What the flip just happened? Okay guys, everything is fine, don't worry. Guys, can we go to inside the building? Guys, there's some like kind of problem with my train, I think. And guys, look at this. Yo, guys. Okay, guys, a level crossing is coming. A level crossing. Yo, guys, this is a holy pair of trees. No way, that's not true. Got a cab view. So, guys, do you think it's station? Let's guys go to the next mission. Okay. Again, the damn entrance. Okay, let's do that. And guys, we will also gonna visit the subway section. Okay. So guys, after this mission, we're gonna guys do the. Oh, it's saying that pick up. We're gonna visit the subway section, okay? We're gonna driving like in the metro. There's nothing inside in this. The interior. Guys, the bad thing is, guys, there's I just enable the derail train derail, so we can't enjoy. So guys, after this, I'm gonna deactivate the disable mode, okay, the train derail. And yo, guys, look at there's in mountains. You can see a lot of trees. What is it? Well, this is a kind of a temple, I think. This is a training, guys. Oh, sorry, guys. Okay, guys. Now that's it. Then let's go to, guys, the subway section. Let's go, guys. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. We are going to we're going to the metro section. Oh my God, my nose. So guys, you're in the 70 push section. Let's activate the headlights as a normal train do. So guys, if we see a train is coming next to us. Oh no! no, guys, something just happened to us. Oh my god. What just happened, guys? Oh, nothing. Guys, that was nothing, guys. That was nothing, okay? Just ignore it, guys. Alright, guys. One more stoppage. And guys, I think I'm going to end this video, guys, because I think it can go very long. Maybe, guys, one more stoppage and that's it. Look at it, guys, this is the passenger view of this train. Guys, I need to stop. Alright, that's it. Alright, guys, I think, guys, if you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, guys, I will meet you in the next video. So bye bye and bye. Okay, guys, I'm gonna bye bye.